Best places to visit in Sunshine Coast, Australia are Sea Life Sunshine Coast Aquarium. It houses a variety of marine creatures across multiple interactive and themed zones. Walk through the signature 80-meter ocean tunnel to watch various marine animals. Cooloola Coast, a scenic beach from Noosa North Shore toward Rainbow Beach with vast sandy stretches and colored sand cliffs. Australia Zoo. It is an incredibly interactive and educational experience where wildlife protection takes center stage. Meet a diverse collection of wildlife. Noosa Everglades. Paddle or take a cruise through rainforests and serene waterways, great for kayaking and spotting wildlife. Whale watching. In the season from June to October, boat tours originate from Mooloolah or Noosa to see humpback whales. Glass House Mountains National Park. Beautiful volcanic peaks perfect for hiking, scenic views, and picnics. Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World. The gardens showcase tiered waterfalls and colorful flora against a mountain backdrop. Take a guided walk in aviaries to see the beautiful birds. Aussie World, theme park with rides, go karting, and family fun. The Ginger Factory. It offers tours related to ginger themed treats and a short train ride. Wildlife Headquarters Zoo. Smaller intimate zoo with native and exotic animals offering close encounters with them. Noosa National Park. Located right on the edge of Noosa Heads, this iconic coastal sanctuary is famous for its beautiful sea cliffs, hidden sandy coves, and walking trails. Kondalilla Falls Circuit. This walking track leads deep into the mountain valley shaped by cascading waters. Montville. This historic hinterland village was settled in the late 19th century. Its leafy, elevated streets are celebrated for their European charm and cooler mountain air. Hologram Zoo. It is an indoor immersive family entertainment center. Instead of real animals or traditional screens, it uses laser projection technology and electronic 3D glasses to make life sized animals. The Big Pineapple. This historic 16-meter fiberglass pineapple structure, after transformation, breathes fresh life into the entire precinct. You can ascend to the top observation deck for 360-degree views. Point Cartwright Lighthouse, a high structure landmark built in 1978. It offers panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and hinterland. Amaze World. The park blends traditional outdoor puzzles with clever modern twists like augmented reality. Mount Coolum National Park. Rising 208-meter above sea level, it offers an ancient volcanic dome overlooking the Sunshine Coast skyline. Buderim Forest Park. This subtropical beautiful place features towering trees, bubbling creeks, and cascading waterfalls. Queensland Air Museum. It is dedicated to preserving and displaying the rich history of Australian aviation across two sprawling open air hangars and a vibrant outdoor display area. Happy Valley, a massive 30-kilometer tidal channel separating Bribie Island from the mainland. It offers a relaxing stroll and active wind sports. Fairy pools. These are two stunning naturally formed tidal rock pools nestle into the rugged basalt coastline of Noosa National Park. Mooloolah River National Park, a quiet and rugged section of wilderness that offers an authentic look at the coastal landscapes of the region. Caloundra Lighthouses. It features lighthouses from two different eras standing next to each other showcasing the evolution of maritime navigation technology over a century. Maroochy Wetland Sanctuary. It protects an intricate ecosystem made up of mangrove forests, saltwater marshes, casuarina woodlands, and rainforest. Kawana Beach, a pristine stretch of open coastline, an ultimate spot for those seeking raw natural beauty, powerful surf, and tranquility. Sunshine Castle. It is an iconic Norman style medieval tourist attraction, originally built to house a fairy tale and dolls collection. It evolved over 50 years into an award winning educational museum. Maroochydoor Rotary Park, nestled on the corner where the peaceful river mouth meets the ocean. It is considered a premier family recreation ground and picnic spot. Aquaduck Sunshine Coast, a popular tour in a brightly painted custom built amphibious vehicle, which offers a city sightseeing tour with a river cruise without leaving your seat. Majestic Theatre, a unique historical and cultural landmark which is famous for screening silent films. It also hosts live theatrical productions and musical events. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.